Yo, 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 what's up, kids from Smithville? Now it's going to be time to do day 2, pose number 1. Day 2, pose number 1. And as I'm looking at pose number 1, I'm going to look at day 2, pose number 1. Remember, Miss Smith will be doing pose number 1 and and go show you what independent practice to do. So this is your day 2. Day 2. So I can do this on Tuesday. And then whenever you do this on Tuesday, then Wednesday you can have IXL practice. Thursday you can have IXL practice. And then on Friday, or you can do one pose a day. All right. You do whatever you need to do. I'm doing one PowerPoint per week. Day 2, here's your learning target. I will be able to find equivalent fractions. Sorry, I got to fix that. Find equivalent fractions to 1 degree turns in a circle. See, Smith's got to fix stuff. See, she always makes mistakes. All right, so let's try again. I will be able to find equivalent fractions to 1 degree turns in the circle. All right, so that's your learning target for day 2. So here is your pose number 1. Thinking about my success criteria. Use the diagram to answer the question. So I'm going to use the diagram. Answer question. Okay? So I'm going to pay attention to the diagram. And I see a circle. All right? And then when I see the circle, I'm going to look and see how many equivalent spaces I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I automatically know that I have 12 equal size pieces. So I'm just going to draw that in my problem. So I'm going to do my 12 equal size pieces. So that's 8. And then I'm going to cut... I cut there, and then I'm going to cut here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I got to cut one more time. So then there's 11 and 12. Okay? So here's that. And it says, a water sprinkler rotates in a circular pattern at 1 degree turns. So if I look up here, it labeled this as 30 degrees and 60 degrees. What this means is there's little bitty 1 degree turns in between here. All kinds of little bitty dots right in here to get to 30. Then you start counting 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and all the way to 60. Then you count to 90. Then you count to 120. And remember, there's little bitty lines all the way in there. Then here is 150, and then here is 180, and so forth. So it says, again, the water sprinkler rotates in circular pattern at 1 degree turns. How many turns would it take to complete half of a circle? So let's look. So look what Miss Smith did. She went half of a circle. So that means one half of a circle. 1 half of a circle. Look where I landed. When I go around a half, what degree do I land on? 180 degrees. So 1 half of a circle equals 180 degrees. The day before, yesterday, we learned that 1/4 of a circle was 90 degrees. Remember, there's little bitty 1 degree turns in this whole circle, and as you're going around. So there's like 180 dots. And then the whole circle, so one whole circle is 360 degrees. All right? So when I look at that, I'm thinking, okay, half the circle means I go here to here, and I land on 180. So my answer is B, 180 degree turns, 1 degree turns, because it's like little bitty dots. Okay, so then you'll do pose number 2, And you're going to think which one appears to be made of 61 degree turns. So you can look back at here and you can see like a 60 comes from here to here. So if I think about this one, it's about right here. So which angle appears to be 61 degree turns? So remember, in class, the middle vertex, the middle point, is your middle letter. So this is how I would read A. Would it be P, Q, N? Well, that looks like 60 degrees. Would it be P, Q, O, which is right here, this angle? Or P, Q, M? Well, P, Q, M, it looks like there's a square in there, so that's a 90 degree, so it can't be 60 degree, 1 degree turns. Or PQL, well, that looks like an obtuse angle. So Miss Smith just gave you the answer to pose number 2, basically. So if you want to you'll do this on paper and pencil. I did pose 1 and answered it for you. Okay, answered it for you, which was right there. You'll do this pose on a piece of paper, and then you will go to your shiny book, to page 301, numbers 11, 12, and 13. Then after that, you will go to your IXL, and then you'll go to grade 4 on your IXL under math, and you will do practice. You will practice under Z again. You're going to do angle or do Z angles, and you're going to do 2 and 3 again. Okay? Then you're going to practice 2 and 3 on Wednesday, practice 2 and 3 on Thursday, and then you should be able to go to Canvas and take your assessment on Friday. Pretty simple, not a lot to do, pretty easy to spread it out. I gave you the answers to pose 1 yesterday. Okay, so back to Miss Smith Rare Form. Hashtag peace out. You guys are awesome, and I miss you.
And her son.
Ugh.